Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add your social media links to your Twitch profile using the Android app. Whether it's YouTube, Twitter, or another platform, linking your socials helps your viewers connect with you. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom corner to enter your profile section. Then, click on the Edit Profile button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Manage Social Links. Now tap on the Add Social Link option. Here, enter the title of the social media platform you want to add, like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Below that, enter the full URL of your social media account. Once you've filled in the details, tap Save at the top right corner. You can repeat this process to add more links. Twitch allows you to add up to 5 social links, and that's it. You've now linked your social accounts to your Twitch profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and guides just like this one.